Hello and welcome back to Janeil Hair Collection. Today we are doing bandika lines and I'm using the short braid the way you're seeing, number 2, and I've already used two full packets, and then I'm on my third one and I'll just use a quarter of it. I'm using this moisturizer to moisturize the braids, and I have some pieces of braids the way you're seeing on the seat. They are 14, and then the one on my hand, that's add up to 15 on each strand so that it will look even. And as usual, I'm going to divide the hair into two, and one side is bigger than the other, and then I'll have to make one side go behind the string the way you are seeing. And that's how I began doing my bandika braids. And my hands, my fingers are tightly together the way you are seeing. And again, the first 3 braids that I'm going to feed in, they should be of the same size so that my bandika lines will look exactly like a pencil. Yeah, so when you're doing this type of lines, it will depend with the hairstyle that you want to get. So at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I'm going. I'll be sharing with you the hairstyle that I want to get, so don't skip anything. So the first 3 that I've added, they are of the same size, and again from the third, I'm getting myself confused. The first 3 that I feed in, they are of the same size, and again the next 3, they are of the same size, and then from there is when I start increasing the size because of the hairstyle that I want to get. But it doesn't matter as long as you're making your bandika line the way you do. So whatever I'm sharing with you, it's what I normally do. So again, if you're coming across Janeil Hair Collection for the first time, feel welcome to this channel. I do more of hair. I change the name of the channel. I'm still Isendi Faith, that you know, but I changed the channel name for some reason. So feel welcome to this channel. We do more of hair, and please do mind subscribing to this channel because it counts a lot. So there is a red thing below the video written subscribe, so go ahead and click on it and you will be part of my journey here on YouTube. And now I think I'm done feeding in the braids. You can see how my bandika line is kind of a pencil, yeah, because of the hairstyle that I want to get. So I'm going to braid it up until I reach up to the bottom. And if you didn't get what I was saying right, I'm going to repeat with the same I'm going to do the second one so that you will get to know what exactly I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to repeat the same thing that I was doing for you who didn't get right what I was doing earlier. So one piece is going behind the string, and that's how I start doing my 3-strand bandika the way you're seeing. And that's how again I get my 3-strand. And the first 3 that I'm going to feed in, they should be of the same size. That will help my bandika look like a pencil. Yeah, so there we go. I'm going to take the next one and put it under my thumb, and then you can see my bandika, they look they have kind of a pattern. It's because of my thumb, the tip part of my thumb on the left side. It's pushing the hair in where I've fed in tightly so that it won't show on top. Put it under my thumb, and then you can see, there we go. I let the tip part of my thumb to push in the hair so that it won't be seen on my, it won't be seen on top, and my bandika will have the pattern that you are seeing. And don't forget, each strand that you are seeing on this video, they are of the same size, they look even, because I've used on each strand I've used 15 pieces of braids, again because of the hairstyle that I want to get. So I'm going to continue feeding in the braid. I've started like feeding in the increased size, and I'm going to do the same thing. You can see the finger, the tip part of my thumb is pushing in the hair tightly that way, and that's how I do my bandika braid. So this is so basic. I hope you would love to try this. I hope you will find this video helpful. Don't forget to share it with a friend. And now I'm done. I'm going to take my scissors and remove all the tissue end. I wasn't increasing the size to the bottom. I just wanted to make them short because of the hairstyle that I want to get. So if you don't have a scissors, you can dip them in hot water or blow them with a blow dryer. And here I'm going to start. Okay, I've already installed the rest, and here I'm just showing you how I began sewing in my bandika braid. I take my time while I'm doing this so that you won't stick your customer, your friend or family, whoever that you're fixing the hair, so that you won't stick their scalp. You need to be gentle when you're doing this. Take your time again, and you'll be good to go. you.